feel like we're falling away. Maybe I just need to feel nothing to make it easier to turn away and leave. Maybe we're fanning the flame, so why do I keep holding out my hand to get burned?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be installing a new microwave. So we'll take this off, install the new one in the same space. We'll try and see if we can reuse the brackets that were used to install this one. If not, then we'll need to install new ones. So follow me through the process. So we'll need a ladder, a drill, a tool set, anything else that we need. I'll just update you as we go. So first we need to unplug it. Then we need to take off these two screws. There's one over here and this one over here. Just have that extra pair of hands as you unbolt and screwing the two screws at the top. Make sure that other person is holding the bottom so that it doesn't come down smashing on the cooktop. So one more thing, just cover this cooktop, as you may need to drill some holes into the wall so you can be able to install the new brackets if they are not you didn't buy the same branded or the same brand of microwave. So now we can take the microwave off its packaging. So we have a set of screws, we have some brackets, the installation guide, and inside it there is a few more parts. This is for the bottom of the microwave, and yeah, the installation guide, the registration package, and this is the bracket for the back side. So what we're going to do next, we're going to take off the old mounting bracket. So there's this one stubborn screw over here that we can try and take off using a socket set. So I'm going to use this and a ratchet set to try and see if we can take it off. So next thing we'll do, we're going to try and mark our cabinet openings using an app for Stud Finder on the phone. And then we need to figure out the center of this cabinet. And then make sure you can use a masking tape, so tape the back side of your wall template. Just attach it to the wall. Make sure to keep it as close as you can to the center line over here. And make sure that we are level. After that, just mark these two holes over here. One of them on the far left would be for one of the screws, the one that we just took out, and then these two would be for a bolt that once it goes inside, it kinds of grips the drywall from the back side, holding the microwave intact. So mark these holes. So next thing would be to drill the holes in the places that you marked. So the manufacturer recommends a 5/8 for the toggle bolts, and so these are the toggle bolts, the two that I mentioned before, that are going to go in the drywall, and this collapses, and once it opens up inside, it's going to hold the bolt on the inside of the drywall. So now we'll install the toggle bolts in the two spots. So we'll just take it off. So now we'll just put the bracket inside. So now we'll take the microwave off the case of the packaging. So as you can see, the vent is at the back.
Clash anymore. I can hear the ghosts in the walls. It's telling me to run away, away, yeah. I don't wanna crash anymore. I can hear the ghosts in the walls. It's telling me to run away.
So to install the microwave, get an extra pair of hands, lift it up, slide it into the bracket, and make sure the power cord goes through the top of the microwave. Last thing would be to plug it in. So now we've taken off all the protective film. It's installed. It's working. We just turned it on to make sure it's working. So there you go. And we are done. So as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel, watch the other videos, and see you on the next one.